Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline. Today we are going school shopping for school supplies and just try to get all the things done early so we don't get the leftovers like we normally do. I normally wait for tax-free weekend, but this time it's literally the weekend before school starts. I'm not doing that. So we're on our way to Target, Marshall's, and maybe another store. We don't know. We'll see where the wind blows us.
Nope, I'm getting this one.
What you are you just a copycat? Whatever you see that's new, you just want to copy. You don't have nothing in your own mind that you want.
I mean, but there's not a lot of
This is
difference.
cool. It feels like it'll break really fast though.
Yeah.
And you're known for breaking book bags in 0.5 seconds. But it is a cool book bag. Let's go to Marshall. I sent your dad the list. See if you need that. Yeah. Get two. One for you, one for your brother.
You know you can get all this on Amazon.
This is 50 cents.
But it's better shopping.
So look, the markers are on sale. For what?
It's like a
Your pencils?
Yeah.
How much is it?
Mama.
No, honey, read the thing.
I'm gonna start sneaking candy in school.
You're sneaking candy in school, so you plan on buying that for candy? Jeez, okay.
Yeah, you got erasers?
If that's where you're gonna put your pencils, that's fine. You can get it.
I'm gonna put candy, and chips, and toffee, and chips.
Do they? Oh, we like it has a little folder.
Yeah. I'm gonna get
This one has 70 sheets.
I'm gonna get this.
Okay. How much is
Is there a
that?
soccer one?
Yeah, go look.
Mom, let me get this one and this one. Don't I need two more?
Probably. Get another one like this one, like the green one. They're scaring me with the color. I mean, the stuff they're picking.
Guys, I'm the best recorder in the world.
Mustang. Wow, you just dropped your notebook.
I don't like Mustang. I want to like a Lamborghini.
This is what you've been wanting. Remember the glitter kind of?
No, I don't want those.
Not anymore?
I don't
got
like.
you red and I got Caleb blue.
You just need two. Like that one? It goes inside your binder.
For my binder, yeah.
Okay. That's $4. We're not getting scissors for $4.
Mom already got scissors.
Oh, look at this one, Chad.
Oh my gosh, that's so ugly. 5 stars?
You know what I'm saying?
That one's nice.
Is it expensive? Yeah.
$2.
Get one of these. Get one, Chad, Caleb. Put one back and get one like that.
I'm putting that.
You want one of those?
This one's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
That just
Right
as
here,
yours,
Chad.
Chad.
Right here, Chad.
Okay, so now we are at Marshall's and we are looking for book bag. They're having a snack. They have this really nice North Face book bag. Yeah, I want one, babe. Look at this one. But it's okay because it's not time for me.
$50.
I always use Chad's book bags.
This is $50.
Caleb,
Yeah, I want to get one.
look at that one.
Look,
It's
they have
blue inside.
Adidas ones back there. Look at this one, babe. It's cool.
I can't hold a million things in my phone.
This blue bag is like a sports.
These are cute. I'm gonna try these. 25. They have the gray one. Look at that gray one, guys.
Yeah, good Chad.
Nice.
This is hard. I can't remember.
I'm the only one trying to find a. They're all eating, having snacks. We're here for book bags, people. Focus.
They're so expensive.
That's a good angle.
Your dad doesn't care.
The backpack cost me $50.
Look at this one. That beef jerky smells crazy. $25. And it has a lot of zippers, Caleb.
Somebody got to do it.
Look at the one behind you. This is a nice one.
Yeah.
Yes, that's nice.
And it's cheap. It's $25.
You can't wear Adidas with Nike shoes.
Yeah, I have to.
Who cares? It doesn't. It's not his outfit. It's for school.
Dunks. And dunks are.
So what? You need a Nike one, but what if you wear Yeezys?
Then I'm gonna get a dunk.
That's like by North Face. It doesn't matter. Or Jansport. It doesn't matter.
But why are you hiding your beef jerky in your shirt?
Because I don't want it to stink up.
It already stinks up, so just eat it.
Right? You can support your back with this.
I recognize his voice.
Hi.
I just kept hearing somebody say, "What the freak?" Mama, I kept hearing. I got the father that everybody are brothers and sisters.
Right. So we got some stuff. I'll show you guys when we get in the car. We got distracted. We gained a child. So yeah, we're on our way. We're gonna go eat. I literally have a headache. I have the biggest headache because I'm starving. I haven't ate anything. Guys, hurry up. I haven't ate anything since 11:30 this morning. So I'm like treading the hangry phase. So yeah, we're gonna go eat. I want Longhorn. Okay, so this is Chatty's book bag. He got some Yeezys for his shoes, and they're like a baby blue, so he said he wanted a blue book bag. And it has a lot of pockets, and it has a little secret pocket, which they say that they can put snacks in there. So Caleb chose this one. It has a lot of pockets as well. This bottom is nice and sturdy, and he has a couple secret pockets too that he can put his snacks in. And then I told you guys that I bought lunch boxes already, but I'm gonna return them and try and go to another store because I only found one of these, but they're the best lunch boxes you will get. So I'm just going to return the ones that I bought on Amazon once I get them, and then try and go to another Marshall's and see if I find this. It was a really good price. It was $15. On Amazon, they are way more. So, yep. Okay, we decided on Longhorn, and we're eating. I got steak, burger, salad, steak, chicken.
Yeah. Yo, this Parmesan chicken is amazing. It's cooking.
Good morning, guys. Okay, so today I'm going shopping again. Guys, during back to school, like anyone is going if anyone is going shopping, I'm down. Okay, they're like, hey, do you want to come? Yes. Don't even let them finish the sentence. Yes, I'm down. I love to shop and to help people shop. So, yeah, I am on my way to the outlets with my little sister, and I'm getting Dunkin' Donuts. I'm in the drive-through line because you can't go on an empty belly, okay? And I don't like to stop. I don't like pit stops for snacks or no. They all know that. Don't play with me. If you're hungry, bring a snack, okay? Because I'm not stopping until, like, I feel like, okay, we went to all the main stores. Everything else we go to is just like a added bonus. So, yes, we can stop and get some food. Otherwise, no, okay? People are going to take our stuff. We got to hurry. Anyways, I know I sound like a psycho, but it's so true. That's the sad part. Anyways, so yes, we're going to go shopping. I'm getting, what is this? Dunkin' Donuts. And we'll probably go to Target later to maybe add that to my previous video. Or, I don't know. I'm making a video for school supply shopping. So, yeah. I'm excited. Y'all are coming along. Hopefully, I don't forget to record. And, yeah. Love you guys. No, thank you.
All right, have no.
Can I get a medium iced caramel latte with a shot of espresso with bacon?
You want the two?
Is it on promotion or something?
No.
Oh, no.
Okay.
She offered me something like, you know I'm on a diet. Why are you offering me two? I almost said yes. If it would have been on sale, I would have said yes. The devil. Good job, Caroline. Thank the Lord it wasn't on sale, because I promise I would have said yes. Can't be skinny. It's okay. Be skinny another lifetime. We gonna be cute and voluptuous in this one. Okay, I'm done. Come on, lady. My sister's waiting for me. I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm getting in trouble, y'all. She's probably already shopping and I'm missing out, man. Oh, come flame it. Hurry up, people. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Now we leave it. Now we go. All right, I just got to the outlet. My sister is in the bathroom with the kids, so we're gonna meet in front of Nike. So yeah. Look at hello. Hi. Hi, sweet boy. Can I show my video? I mean, who's your barber, bro? He should be famous. You look so cute. Can I get one more huggy, please? Guys, I forgot to show you, but we found a book bag. We found KK some shoes.
They're so cute.
She said I don't like them because she only likes girly colors, but we're gonna get them because they're super cute on her and they match a million things. And we got Levi some shoes, but now we are leaving Adidas. We'll see where the wind blows us. Boys, I'm gonna get these for the boys. Chichi got a bunch of stuff here. Don't snitch on me. These for Levi. Those for herself. And then Levi. They're buy one, get one and half off. Listen. Alright guys, so we say hi.
Hi.
We just left the outlets. It was so packed. We couldn't even record. Okay, so whatever I show you guys, that's as much as I could do. Anyways, my sister is back there, right there. That's her. And we are, what's it called? Driving to get some food because we're literally starving.
I'm not.
I guess me, Chichi, and KK are starving. Levi can hold off a little. But anyways, so we're gonna get food and then we're gonna do Target and then we'll see where the wind blows us. Alright guys, so this is what's for lunch.
This is like a dolphin. So excited.
Yeah. Show me your ball. KK, why are you eating so many cookies? You didn't even have your lunch. Okay, Levi had like 4 cookies already and I only had half.
You just said you have 4 cookies, Levi. Did you have 4 cookies?
Just 2.
We danced. We danced.
What is that?
Uh-oh, mess. Here, clean it.
You're gonna get dirty. Come on, we're gonna have to show people why you're dirty. After we leave here, we never speak of this again. Okay.
Am I dirty?
No, you're clean. All right, let's just leave it because you're not even done. Don't even look over here. Your mom is sharing with you. All right, we're in Target. Took us a second.
We're trying to find a.
Oh, I don't know how to do this.
She doesn't know how to drive the bus.
Oh, we have a train.
Can we look at the jeans
Yes.
over there? What's wrong with it? Okay, those cookies are backfiring. Major.
Okay, I need you to sit down. Give me the drink. You don't need no more sugar.
Just have a seat, son.
No.
Now, KK, you be nice, okay? No Heliva, okay? Nice. Good girl. Oh, don't bite either, please. She's biting him. Don't hit her. It was playing.
It smells like yours. It smells like your fur.
KK, what was in that cookie? Because I didn't get none. I didn't get whatever was in your cookie. And we shared a cookie.
She wants to eat.
Yeah, eat. Alright, guys. We're struggling with the kids. And I'm actively sweating. I got chocolate in my mouth from cookies.
That's how you know you're
That's a problem. Okay, guys, so these are the pants that I'm trying on. They're supposed to be mom jeans, but they're sort of just straight.
skinnies.
Yeah, they're a little big on the back, like, you know, but it's okay. Anyways, I like this shirt. I wonder if I could, like, scrunch it. Stop, move your butt. Okay, I got this shirt, but it looks horrible.
Cute jeans.
So I'm just gonna take it off, but yeah. I tried. I just want to point out that every time we school shop, if I'm with my cousin, we always end up sitting on the floor. That's how defeated we are. So yeah, we're just. We need masking tape. Masking tape. Do they have an off-brand?
Right? Jesus. Oh my god.
Why do they need such expensive tape?
She's getting one. And this is pretty big, right?
That's
Yeah.
okay. Oh, sorry, sir.
See what I deal with? And she's trying to say that it's my kids. This is her, okay?
Levi, let me go. Did you get your People are looking at us. Sorry. Those girls are looking at us. I'm leaving you. Guys, we made it alive.
Yeah, finally we made it.
No thanks to you.
No thanks for me because I'm doing this.
Alright guys, we're completely exhausted. We made it though. We got all the supplies.
Yeah, but I'm done. I'm done with this point I'm going.
You're making me crash. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna make you crash more. I'm serious.
Help. I think I have my fresh dose. Okay, bye.